Hey guys, Cassie here again. Sunday, it's been a week since I posted my last video. There's just something I really wanted to say. Get off my mind. I passed this man in Publix, and he smelled like fried chicken. Just wanted to tell somebody that, because I feel like it should be shared. I really don't have this video planned out at all. Kind of like the first one. I'm like super tired. I was hanging out with my friends all night last night, and yeah, I just slammed my finger in the door. It hurt very badly. My arm's getting tired. I keep taking it off my face. I feel like, I don't know. As you can see, I look like crap because I just stewed today. I'm trying to be kind of quiet. Like half my family's asleep. I have a big family. My PJs got snowmen on them. Yeah. I took my friend Preston's hat, and he said I looked pretty in it, so I kept it. And I'm giving it back to him tomorrow. I really hate school so much. I'm going to stab school in the face. Stabbity stab stab stab. School. But yeah. Thanks, I guess. I'm really bored. I don't know what to do right now. Just like the cigarettes are, just like the whiskey burns. I'm being really boring today. I'm so sorry about this. I'll be funny eventually, I guess. We went to an Applebee's yesterday, and the our waiter had this stalker-like smile, and he was like, when he smelled it, not even like that. It was creepy. It was like it was weird. He was like, I can't even replicate it. It was so creepy. Any IBO. I don't like Applebee's anymore after that. I feel like I should sing something, but I'm not going to. I know what I'll do. Hold on. Gotta make a trek through the house. Hey, Ever. It's too big for her. She can't find it. Okay. Glad that's over. You might have heard my family. My mom's asleep at least, but my dad and sister-in-law are like, and my brother. Okay, as you can see here, I have some Ready Whip, because I love Ready Whip, and I am OCD about Ready Whip. And let's just say my friend, she had a whipped cream fight for one of her birthdays. Everyone else was throwing whipped cream at each other. I was pouring it in my mouth. It takes a while for me to swallow it. But yeah, that's Ready Whip for you. My obsession with it. I don't care what day of the week it is. I'm such a fatty like this. I love so much Ready Whip. I don't know whether next week I should sing and scream the final episode, Bastion Alexandria, or a single moment of sincerity. So just tell me which one you want me to do. Thanks. Love you guys. Mwah.